In this video, I will show you how to remove your history and watch list from Amazon Prime Video. So to get started, go ahead and open Amazon Prime Video on your device. So I will access mine on the browser. So in here, go ahead and scroll down. So as you can see, once you scroll down, you'll be able to find your recently watched list. So make sure to check that out. So removing your history and watch lists are of the same method. So for example, I will add this movie or series into my watch list. I'll just hover my mouse and click on this plus icon at the bottom left of the specific series or movie, and then this will be added into my watch list. So once you have added it into your watch list, go ahead and head over into the My Stuff section, and then in here, go ahead and hover your mouse again into this section. Click on the check button, and this would be removed from your watch list. And that is how you can also do that on removing it from your watch history. And that is how you can simply remove your history and watch list from Amazon Prime Video.